This property is a 5-bedroom, 6 full baths, and 1/2 bath, colonial. This property is listed for $2,290,000. Interior features of this property include wood flooring, a recreation or bonus room, a sunroom, a formal dining room, an eat-in kitchen, a finished basement, built-in bookshelves, crown molding, an elevator, a bar, natural gas heat, a family room, a library, a gourmet kitchen, and a kitchen island. On the outside, this property features an attached garage, a patio, and a deck. The approximate square footage is 8,618 square feet.